Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy the show. On tonight's menu, live butter chicken. Just before prep. If you'd like to see the prep, just follow the link in the post. Just after prep, the combined mise en place. The mise en place for the first dish. The mise en place for the live dish. If you'd like to see the live cooking, follow the link in the post. Just before going live, heating up some ghee in the fry pan. I add the chicken and start to brown. I add the onions, garlic, and all the other goodies and give it a good saute. Here's the chicken that I pulled. Here I add everything back together. I add the tomato sauce and give it a good stir. I add the heavy cream and stir. Here it is all combined. And it's going to simmer for about 15 minutes. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Have fun cooking.